today's face scrub, we'll be using sugar and honey. Honey is very important in this recipe because honey has antibacterial and exfoliating properties. It also hydrates and moisturizes the skin. Mix honey and sugar, mix it very well. Use it to scrub your face to achieve a beautiful and glowing skin. Store it in a container and use it 3 times in a week. Guys, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you, viewers. I'll be right back. Bye bye.